What is up, my dudes? It's me, your boy, Skinny Pete. I'm kidding, it's me, your boy, Eric. Welcome back to a 370Z Year 1 modless review video. This is going to be a quick follow-up video from my previous video, which was the clutch spring helper mod. After a month of driving this, here are my findings. God, it's so freaking bright. So I've replaced my clutch spring helper to a softer spring to improve my clutch pedal feel. So for $30-ish Canadian, it has improved my daily driving experience. Not gonna lie, this is not sponsored whatsoever. To be fair, I got it from eBay, so it's not like somebody's paying me to say this. So right after installing it and driving it for the first time, I had to relearn and adjust my driving mannerism again to compensate on, you know, a softer spring and no resistance at all. You'll feel a lot of moving mechanism in your clutch system when you lightly rest your foot on the clutch. Not depressing it, just putting it over there. It'll feel weird, but it's totally normal just because you remove that stiffer clutch spring into a softer one. That stiffer spring actually dampens all of the vibration in that clutch system. Holy crap. And I've checked my clutch fluid reservoir, and you know, it's normal. It's not like you're ruining your clutch more. It's just the pedal feel. It's not the clutch. So yeah, that's my 2 cents. So if you're looking for that installation video, it's right over here. Boom, done, great. And I really appreciate that you're here watching this review for some odd reason. And yeah, clutch spring helper mod, $30, totally worth it. But if you want more adjustability, probably you should go for an RJM clutch. Start hitting the subscribe button. Maybe I'll do it in the future, maybe not. I don't know, we'll see. But I have a lot of plans for this Z, and I want you to be a part of it. So hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm gonna be releasing new videos. Don't forget to hit the like. Apparently that's how algorithms in the YouTube universe world. So see you on the next video. Take it easy, folks.